Hello students, this is the second part of our first poetry Upagupta, which is written by a famous well-known poet Rabindranath Tagore. Now in this paragraph, in this second part, we are going to learn the second paragraph of this poem's summary. Now listen carefully. Many years passed away, and there were many changes in the surrounding when the young disciple. What is the meaning of disciple? In the last part, I have told you meaning of disciple. Disciple, it means a follower of a great person or a student of a great personality. Was seen walking lonely. Lonely, it means alone. On the street. So, in the second part, we learn that many years happened to that particular thing. Which thing? The incident when a very beautiful dancing girl invited Upagupta to come to her home for rest. But Upagupta said that I will come at appropriate time, proper time. So for that thing, many years passed, gone away, and now there were many changes in the atmosphere of that Mathura city. And when this disciple, young disciple, was walking on the road of Mathura, that time he saw the surrounding area completely change. The atmosphere was gloomy. Gloomy, it means very sad. When he saw a woman lying, lying, it means present participle of lie. And what is the meaning of lie? Be in a flat position or in a resting position, lying in the shadow of the wall. So the disciple of Lord Gautam Buddha, Upagupta, when that young disciple, young student walking there, that time he saw that the whole area was looking very sad, very bare, and he saw a lady and woman resting near a wall or in the shade of that wall. Her face was ugly. What is the meaning of ugly? Look at here. Unpleasant in appearance, or another meaning is unpleasant to look at. So he saw that lady was very ugly. So nobody liked to see her face. That kind of she has face. and body had sores on it. Sore it means painful marks on body and sores on it. So her face, that woman's face looking very ugly. She had many sores, many painful spots, marks on her face. He took her head and dropped a few drops of water through her lips. And when Upagupta saw that lady was lying there, he went there, took her head up and dropped few drops of water in her mouth. She was surprised to see the unexpected humanity. So when that lady saw that someone is dropping water in her mouth through her lips, so that time she was surprised by watching this kind of humility, good behavior of any human, and wanted to know the identity of that person. And therefore she wanted to know, who is this person, who is helping me, who is giving me water to drink. The young disciple finally disclosed. Disclose it means make known to everyone. Another meaning is make clear. The identity of a person. The young disciple finally disclosed his identity and told her that it was the proper time to to his visit. And the young disciple, Upagupta, told that young lady, that ugly lady, that when you were a young lady, you invited me to come to your home for rest. And that time I told you that at a proper time, appropriate time, I will come to your home or I will come to meet you. Now, when the lady wanted to know who is this person who is giving water me, dropping few drops of water in my mouth, so that time Upagupta, the followers, the student of Lord Gautam Buddha, told that lady, that young lady now looking very ugly. No one liked to see her face, that kind of ugly face she was having. And therefore, Upagupta said, lady, woman, this is the right time, this is the right appropriate time to meet you, and therefore I came to meet you. So in this way, this first poem for English literature students ends here. So have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.